Chapter 7, Data-Driven Marketing on X, Analytics and Insights. Analytics on X provide businesses with actionable insights into audience behavior, content performance, and campaign effectiveness. Leveraging these tools allows for informed decision-making and optimized strategies, ensuring maximum return on investment, ROI. This chapter outlines how to use X analytics to drive marketing success. Why analytics matter. Analytics are the backbone of effective marketing. They enable you to understand your audience, learn about your followers and their preferences, measure performance, evaluate the success of your posts and campaigns, optimize strategy, refine your approach based on data insights, demonstrate ROI, showcase measurable results from your marketing efforts. Key metrics to track. Monitoring the right metrics is crucial for success. Focus on 1. Engagement metrics. Likes, retweets, and replies gauge user interaction with your content. Click-through rate, CTR, measure link clicks relative to impressions. Engagement rate, assess the percentage of engaged users per post. 2. Audience metrics. Follower growth, track audience expansion over time. Demographics, understand follower characteristics like age and location. Activity patterns, identify optimal posting times. 3. Campaign metrics. Impressions, track how often content is seen. Conversions, measure actions like purchases or signups. Cost per result, CPR, evaluate campaign cost efficiency. Using X's analytics tools. X provides tools to help track and analyze performance. Tweet activity dashboard, analyze impressions and engagement for individual posts. Audience insights, explore demographic and interest data. Campaign manager, monitor paid campaign performance and ROI. Third-party tools. Expand your insights with third-party platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer, manage multiple social accounts and analyze data. Google Analytics, track website traffic from X campaigns. Sprout Social, get advanced reporting and sentiment analysis. Actionable steps from insights. Data is only valuable if acted upon. To maximize results. Identify top performers, replicate successful content patterns. Refine targeting, use audience data to better focus your efforts. Optimize timing, post when your audience is most active. Experiment continuously, use A/B testing to refine strategies. Measuring ROI. Demonstrate the value of your efforts by tracking conversions, use analytics tools to measure outcomes. Calculating ROAS, compare ad spend to revenue. Assessing lifetime value, LTV, understand the long-term impact of acquired customers. Common pitfalls. Avoid these mistakes. Over-relying on vanity metrics, focus on actionable outcomes, not just likes or followers. Neglecting feedback, address audience sentiment and criticisms. Drowning in data, prioritize key insights over excessive metrics. Analytics on X are essential for effective marketing. By tracking metrics, acting on insights, and refining strategies, businesses can enhance performance and achieve goals. In the next chapter, we'll explore how collaborations and influencer partnerships can further expand your reach and impact.